It's not all smooth sailing, there are real challenges. Range anxiety is still a concern, though most new EVs go 250–350 miles on a charge. Charging takes longer than filling up with petrol, and public chargers can be busy. Not everyone has a driveway for home charging. Urban charging solutions need to improve. Upfront costs are higher, mainly due to expensive batteries, though prices are falling. Battery production raises environmental and ethical questions. Responsible sourcing and recycling are crucial. The industry is investing in battery recycling and second-life uses for old batteries. Overcoming these hurdles is key to making electric cars truly sustainable. The electric car market is booming. There's something for everyone. The Tesla Model 3 set the standard long-range, high-tech, and fun to drive. Volkswagen's ID.3 and ID.4 offer practicality and familiar comfort. Kia Niro EV and Hyundai Kona Electric deliver long-range and value for families. For city driving, the Fiat 500e and Mini Electric are stylish, compact, and cheap to run. Performance fans have the Porsche Taycan and Audi e-tron GT. Supercar speed, electric style. SUVs like the Ford Mustang Mach-E and Skoda Enyaq iV combine space with electric power. Premium options include the BMW iX3 and Mercedes EQC. Whatever your needs, there's an electric car to match. The choices are growing every year. 11. The future of cars is electric. There's no turning back. Governments are phasing out petrol and diesel, pushing manufacturers to go electric. That means more choice, better tech, and lower prices for everyone. Solid-state batteries are coming, longer range, faster charging, and better safety. Imagine 500 miles on a charge and a 15-minute recharge. Electric cars will connect to our homes and the grid, powering our lives and even earning us money. It's more than a new engine, it's a new way of thinking about mobility. Cleaner air, quieter cities, and a stable climate are within reach. The V8's roar defined the last century. The electric hum is the sound of progress. The future is bright, and it's electric. 12.